morning everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Captain Choi. This morning I just came to Point Pleasant. As you see, it's Dauntless, one of my regular boats. As you see, last week sea bass season opened, so today we are going to catch sea bass. It's just Wednesday, but a lot of people on the boat, almost full. A little bit windy, but the weather is nice. Yeah, it's 7:30. We are leaving the dock. On the jetty. Wow, a little bit chill. No. Last Saturday and Sunday it was extremely hot, but today it's windy and chill. Yeah, we just came to the first point. It took almost an hour, but the ocean is so rough. So on the way, I felt like throwing up. Wow! Now the boat is anchoring. Yeah, today I'm just going to use the regular typical high-low rig and the 4-ounce sinker. Yeah, fishing start. Wow, it's deep. Wow, bite. 다 따였다. I think there's fish. Fish on. Small perch.
Sea bass is open now, and it's got to be 13 inches this year, not 12 and a half. They've raised it a half an inch, so it's
fish on, the small one. A perch? Small perch. Fish on. Not that big, but bigger than before. Yeah, sea bass. But I don't know, it's a 13 or less. I have to check. Fish on. Wow, a little bit better. Maybe keeper? 12, 13, I'm not sure. Wow, this time it must be keeper. It should be. The size is getting bigger and bigger. Oh, I think this one must be keeper. Fish on. Sea bass. I don't know, maybe 12, 13. Wow, fish on. My brother. Maybe 11, 12. Measuring. Fish on. Wow. Sea bass. But I think 12 again. Wow, fish on. Finally. Wow. This time it must be keeper. Yeah, keeper. Wow, finally. Wow. Finally I got a keeper. Yeah. Wow. It's on perch. Not on clam. Bro, use perch. Yeah, I got a small one. I lost it. And now we are re-anchoring from the same point. Yeah, another boat on the water. But so far I just got one 15-inch sea bass. That's it. And before 15-inch I got 5, but it was all 12. Maybe one same fish teasing me. Yeah, there are a lot of small bites, but not big one. Only small guys trying to catch my bait. Oh, fish on! Wow! Yeah, another one. I'm not sure. 13, maybe 13. Yeah, fish on.
Start thinking about Father's Day. What are we gonna get dear old Dad? I got an idea what I might want to get for Father's Day. I just haven't figured out how do I wrap 18 gallons of
Yeah, another one. I'm not sure, maybe 12. Fish on. Maybe 12. Maybe 12. Fish on. Wow, it's fighting. Wow. Oh, it's a little bit exciting this time. 12 again. Fish on. Yeah, another one. Oh, maybe it's keeper in case of sea bass. Yeah, I got another one, maybe more than 13. It must be keeper. Wow, another keeper. Wow, nice. Yeah, another one. Maybe it's a feeding time. 좀 이따. I'm not sure, maybe 12, between 13. I have to measure it. Wow, it's fighting. Another one. Well, 12, 13. Wow, maybe 13. Yeah, maybe 13. More than 13. Yeah, it's keeper. Wow. Number 4. Maybe keeper. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it's keeper, I think. Good one. Wow, it must be big one. The biggest one today. Wow. See this? Eel? Congo eel. Hey. Oh, 잡아. Hey, Congo eel. Yeah, now we are moving to the second point. From first point, I got 5 sea bass. Nice size, yeah. 15, 14, 16. And now we are moving to second point. But today the clam didn't work. I just catch it with a pressure of a perch, a piece of perch. Yeah, we just came to the second point, but not that far away from the first point. The current inside is a little bit faster than first point. Wow, and deeper. Touchdown. Fish on. Ring. Nice size ring. Yeah. Fish on. Wow. It's a big one, but eel. I think it's eel. Too heavy. It's a sea bass more than 20 inch. Wow, so powerful, huh? Eel. I told you, Congo eel. Wow, fish on. Yeah, this time it's a sea bass, nice size sea bass. It doesn't feel like eel this time. 아이고, 하늘 날아갔네. Wow, nice. Nice one. Seabass. Yeah, maybe keeper.
Aprende que todo sigue tu vida. No voy a estar aquí. Landed in my head somehow. Just making
Ah.
one man. Throughout.
Wow. Seabass. Oh, Seabass! Oh my god. I thought it's an eel. The big one. I thought it was an eel, but it's a big one. Wow. The biggest one today.
This one today.
Yeah.
It's close. We got a codfish, but biggest sea.
Yeah, but I cannot win the cod. Seabass cannot win cod. Wow, good. Fish on. Yeah, nice one. Ah. Yes. Maybe 12, 13. Fish on. Yeah, nice one. Nice one, Seabass. Oh yeah. Wow, nice. 대우 남지 이거 크다. Wow, big one. Nice one, Seabass. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, we just finished fishing today. Yeah. Early in the morning, so we couldn't catch any fish, but in the afternoon, yeah, it was good. So I think I just leave it out. I catch more than 10 and my brother Jiyoung got 5. So it was another good day. Wow, it's time to go home. Yeah, but today the weather is not so good. Windy and the ocean is so rough, as you see. Yeah, we just came back. Wow, yeah, we started a little bit bad today, but in the afternoon we managed to catch enough fish for tonight. Yeah, I really enjoyed fishing today. Thanks for watching. See you next fishing.